I've had a load once that had nuclear waste on it, and actually had the Department of Defense call us to let us know we're coming through Omaha in the middle of the night and I need to get this product cooling. And I did. I fixed the reefer to make sure that it did actually cool down the radioactive barrels that I had to walk by to fix that unit. Reefer is a slang from the trucking industry for refrigerated freight. And the units on the front were refrigerated units. They called them reefers. Anything that you can think of that's frozen is on a refrigerated trailer.
These are not meant to cool things off. They're meant to keep them at a steady temperature. And they're using refrigerant in there. They've got a diesel engine that runs a compressor that cycles that refrigerant through the unit. And basically it's like your car AC on steroids. So they started with ice, basically.
Yeah,
just having ice
frozen lakes.
Yep.
And then truly cutting them out like the Frozen Disney film.
Yep.
You know, to then put them on trailers and then just let a fan blow that cool air across.
People have to eat.
Flat out.
You know, people have to eat. Not just food, it's medical and all kinds of things.
It's flowers, massive flowers, blood products.
Paint. Keeping paint from freezing going across the country.
Humans.
Furniture. Yep.
I was there for Flight 232 crashing into Sioux City, Iowa. And we had refrigerated trailers that had to separate people. And so then if the trailer broke down, someone had to go in there and fix it.
Yep. It's something different. It's not something like you're not working on trucks, you're not working on equipment. It's something that's a little different, you know. And then being able to teach that to the next generation and show them how important it is to, you know, have these things running, going up and down the road.
They were always happy to see us come because we were saving their product. And that's a huge plus to a day-to-day grind of working, is knowing that when the phone rang, you had somebody that wanted you and were happy to see you. And that made it so much easier. Laramie wouldn't exist, first of all, without trucks. And then trucks with refrigerated product is what keeps all of us fed here. Whether Walmart or Safeway or whatever, this is a refrigerated trailer that's bringing this product to us.
We stay current. We're partnered with ESCO. That's who does the testing side of things for us. And they make sure that they give us, you know, the most up-to-date information and things like that, because it's on the technician themselves to stay current on all this stuff. And, you know, we're technicians, so we have to stay current as well. And they're all trying to do new things, right? And the new thing is to be green or whatever. So they're all trying to figure out the best way to run these things with less fuel, basically, right? So they're doing things from solar to all kinds of weird things.
Just to tell you a brief history there, my very first refrigerant was R12. And that was probably one of the worst ozone depleting refrigerants that are out there. Now we have, as of right now, the newest refrigerant, which is something called 1234YF, which has 0 ODP and about a 4 global warming potential. So in my whole career here, I've seen the ozone hole be discovered, stuff manufactured and made to fix it, and then watch my whole career putting people together to fix it, recovering the refrigerant, not venting it out, saving it, you know, recycling it, reclaiming it, making sure we don't just vent it all off like we did forever. And now we're showing some real signs of progress. We're even now through Carrier compressing CO2, which would be the end of the ozone scare completely. We could just vent that because that's what we're breathing out of our lungs right now. I see sky's the limit for us I got a tremendously old mechanic population of reefer technicians that are all retiring, and this is an up-and-coming field that has to have people in it. So unlimited growth, as far as I could tell, whether you're Thermo King, Carrier, or any of the rest of them.